Which current trends in automation or especially collaborative robots will influence the industry, especially in the welding area, in the near future? Of course, one big thing now that everybody's talking about is artificial intelligence, AI. To apply artificial intelligence, you need, of course, first have some data, and you have to analyze this data, and then you have to train your system so that it will be a self-learning system, which is, let's say, artificial intelligence in a nearer sense. And yes, there are many activities, both in research institutes, but also in companies. One example is that for cobots, companies are working to just show the welding path with their finger, and then by using sensors, mostly cameras, the cobot will automatically follow that path and carry out the welding and find the weld seam fully automatically. So that's one example. But also for welding power sources, things like voice control already exist, and of course will find its application also in a broader field in the near future. These things, of course, are, let's say, now at the edge of the development, both in the research institutes and in industry, but we can be sure that these will be found also in welding in the very near future.